Why you're stuck and how to get unstuck. Take a step back for a moment. Think about the last time you truly kept a promise to yourself. Not a big promise, not a diet or a 30-day plan. Just something small. Waking up early. Taking a walk. Saying no when it mattered. Maybe you felt calm, clear. That moment wasn't random, it was the result. The result of presence, of consistency, of choosing what you needed over what was easy. That's discipline. Discipline is freedom. Because when your life is ruled by emotions, you become a slave to impulse. But when your days are led by structure, you become powerful. You might feel still move forward. You might lose motivation, but you still act. Because what matters isn't how you feel. It's who you've chosen to become. And yes, but being stuck is also hard. So is the pain of regret. You get to choose your heart. One moves you forward. The other keeps you stuck. Successful people not smarter, not luckier. They're just more consistent. They keep showing up, even on days when it doesn't feel worth it. Because they know, every repetition matters. Every small choice adds up. And one small win today can change everything tomorrow. So stop glow up. Forget overnight success. Focus on the brick you can lay today. The habit you can practice. The promise you can keep. And trust the compound effect to handle the rest. You're not stuck. Standing at the edge of change. Now lean forward and step in. Go one leg. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're not weak. You're just overloaded. Your brain is trying to solve too many things at once. It's overwhelmed. You freeze. And that's okay. It's human. But the way forward: input, one output, one action, then the next. Your brain needs clarity. So don't try to fix your whole life. Just think about the next 10 minutes. What does the next 10 minutes of a disciplined life look like? Do that, then repeat. We keep waiting and certain, ready. But ready is a myth. Confidence comes from mastery. Mastery comes from repetition. Want to feel in control? Act like the person who always shows up. You don't need to win the whole war today. Just win the next decision. Discipline is with your future self. Every time you show up, you're saying to them, you matter. And when you don't, it's not failure, it's feedback. You learn, you adjust, you recommit. This isn't about perfection, it's about participation. So stay in the even if it's slow, even if it's messy. Remember this: a drop of water doesn't wear down a stone. But enough drops? Over time, they carve mountains. You're not stuck. You're building pressure. And with enough consistency, that pressure becomes power. Keep going.